Ah, some wild turkeys are up here. Oh, I'm scaring them off. And I can't get any closer because I'm scaring them. I just came about 10 feet in. There's a highway on the other side of that woods. You can hear it. I don't want him to go down there and get hurt. This is property that's owned by the city. And I was just out here looking for a garbage can lid. And they've got all this extra stuff. This is only part of this humongous building. This is only part of what I found trying to find a new garbage can lid. It's a lot of property. But I like that they maintain this woods area between this spot and the highway. Very nice. Alright, that was fun. I like wild turkeys to watch. There's probably a lot of deer up here too. Bye-bye.